In this video, we are going to discuss another CSS class provided by Bootstrap, and that is Breadcrumb. Basically, whenever you want to show the hierarchical position of any particular web page, you can go for this class. For example, if I'm on a home page of any particular website, out there I followed a link called sports. Inside that I went to sports and then for cricket. Alright, so basically whatever the path we followed shows the hierarchy of a page, like from home to sports, from sports to cricket. Alright, so when you will reach that particular page, it will show the particular path which you have followed, and if you want, you can just click them back to go to the higher level in the same hierarchy. So let's see how to implement breadcrumb in your website. So for implementing the breadcrumb, I will use first of all the list, maybe the ordered or unordered list. Here I have used the ordered list in this example, and I have implemented a class breadcrumb. As soon as I will do that, inside that, whenever I will put any list item, it will be shown in an hierarchical manner. Like for example, from home you have navigated to page sports, and from sports you came for cricket. So in case you want to make something active, you can use class active. Alright, so in this example, this cricket link will be shown as the selected one. So let's execute and see how this output is looking like. So as expected, home, sports and cricket. Alright, so you will not find any hyperlink means pointed finger right here, but you can do that with sports and home. So anywhere when you want to put some hierarchical representation in your web page, you can anytime use these breadcrumb, and if you will put some links on sports or home or maybe any other, you can use these breadcrumbs to go back to the roots from the branches. So this is all about the breadcrumb class in your Bootstrap.